Welcome back to Main Street Mower. We are having a huge sale going on March 27th, and we're giving away this brand new time cutter, My Ride 50-inch. And all you gotta do is come to our spring sale on March 27th and test drive this bad boy to get a raffle ticket. And also, if you want more raffle tickets, every $50 you spend at Main Street Mower in the week of the sale, you will get an additional raffle ticket for every $50. Come out, baby. This is a local raffle. This is not nationwide. This is you versus your neighbor. So if you have a raffle ticket and he don't, your chances just went way up. You know what I'm talking about? Toro equipment is 24% off. That's Toro commercial mowers, 24% off. That is ridiculous. That's up to $1,000 on mini units. We're gonna have bulk items on sale like parts, oil, blades, all those things are gonna be on sale. Come see us at Main Street Mower for our spring sale. Spring is sprung. The azaleas are blooming. It's spring, baby. It's raining out. It's just beautiful. I'm just so happy we get to give away this mower to some great customer. So if you have a landscape company and you want to add another machine, never been a better time. If you have a big yard and you want a commercial machine, never been a better time. 24% off Toro, March 27th. Come see us at Main Street Mower Winter Garden. See you then. Come on.